In this video, we will learn the second option, how to upload an image into Adobe Forms. So let's start. Go to T-Code SFP. This is your form. Click on Change Mode. Now go to Properties, Interface, or you can directly go to Interface. Now go to Code Initialization. So in previous video, we have used this class and then this method to get the image and into image field and to display it into Adobe Forms. So in second option, we will use a different class to upload an image. So for that, let's check first in our repository system if we have any image there. Go to T-Code SAT. Now you can see here these options, main repository. If this option is not available, then you can go to Utilities, Settings, and you have the other options also. Just for example, click on the option like ATC, or you can just then click on Transfer button. So you can show it can show here the other options as well. So in main repository, let's check if we have an image here. We have 3 folders: SAP BC. I have somewhere here in form processing, graphics, public, then graphics, bitmap images. Then we have 2 options similar to the previous video which we have learned, pcol and pmon. Pmon is for the black and white graphics and pcol is for the color graphics. So we have SAP Enjoy logo here which we can use, and the best option is when you can upload here any image. It can be JPG or PNG, GIF. So you can upload any image here. You don't have to convert the image into BMP image. So we'll be using SAP Enjoy logo as our second logo. Let's go back to the interface. So for that, to get the image from meme repository, we have to use one class. I have created a function module for that. So this is the function module which I have created. Display. I have one import parameter, which is the file name, which will be the path to get the file. And then it has the export parameter, which will deliver, which will export us the content and the meme type. So in the code, I'm calling the class real meme repository API. So let's check this class, what it has inside it. So it has one instance, create instance, get API, and then it has a method get, which will supply the content of the meme repository, and then I'm using the properties which will supply you the property of the meme object. Mostly it is image BMP or whatever it is, and the way it is maintained in your system. So I am just first creating the instance of this class, and with the help of this instance, I'm calling the method get and the method properties. I hope you know the basic of the object-oriented programming, so it will be quite helpful for you. So then I'm getting the content by using the file name, which is the URL that I'm using here. So it's a file name, and then I am importing the meme type and the content of the logo or the picture that is uploaded in the meme repository. So let's go back to the interface. So here I will call my function module. You can directly call the class using the code which I have maintained here. It's up to you, but I have created a function module, so it's quite handy. I'm calling this function module, and you can uncomment the data and also the importing and the exceptions. So we have 2 others here. So this is the file path which we have to give. So let's go back to the main repository. So this is the path, SAP, then BC, then we have FP, graphics, public, graphics, PMap, and then bcall. So this path you have to, and then the name of the image. So the name of the image is, let's first copy the path. I have copied it somewhere. So let's copy the file name. You can also store it into the variable like here, and then I will just get the file name. You can directly copy by going to properties. If it's a long name, copy, enter. So we will be receiving into our variable that we have already declared, that is LV logo, and we will declare one import parameter here so that we can check how dynamically the image field works. So like LV input, Okay, input type can be character, maybe character 20. So let's go to code initialization and we will declare a variable if lv input is equal to 1. Cut. So if lv input is 1, then we'll display our old logo, that's the ID's logo, and if the lv input is other than 1, then we'll display our new logo. So we'll also add one input parameter, that is lv input here, and output parameter is lv logo. Let's activate. Go back, activate the form again. In the form, we have to do no changes as we are using the same variable. So let's execute. First, we'll enter the input as 1 with the output device. Click on print preview. So we have the ID's logo. Go back. Now, for example, the output is 20 other than 1. And we have the SAP Enjoy now. So by this way, you can change the logo based on the condition. So now in this video, we have seen the other option also, how to pick the image from the meme repository by using a class CL meme repository API. So we have two options here. First option is to call the method CL XF utilities and to get the graphic as BMP for, but to use this method, the graphics would be as BMP. The second option is like you can call the function model, which I have created a Z function model, or you can directly call the class CL meme repository API. And using this class, you can get the image or the logo data into your local variable. So in this method, you can upload the image as a GIF or as PNG or any other format. So that's it in this video, and in the coming videos, we'll be learning more features of Adobe Forms. Thank you.